see nature in all its splendor? The way it graces us with its beauty, animals and plants and all? It's like a new and different universe, the kind you won't find in a newspaper or television show, the kind that doesn't just pop out to you when you wake, but the kind that you discover. Have you taken the time to see the way nature says hello? The way its birds, its children, sing songs of grace and beauty? The way its trees dance and sway in the wind? The way its leaves stretch out like fingers to greet you? Welcome to Unplug and Unwind, an atmosphere that allows you to unplug and unwind, to truly experience the serenity and peace that only nature can bring. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful nature content.